what if I told you we do more than just make helpful high tunnel assembly videos here at Tunnel Vision Hoops? Yes, we do strive to produce high quality instructional content, but it's not the core of what we do. It's just one of the things we do to serve farmers. But our main focus and the way we serve small farms best is by manufacturing high quality, customizable, and easy to assemble DIY high tunnel and greenhouse kits. We've actually been doing it for over 15 years. And in this video, we're going to show you everything we make and how our structures are different than the rest. Whether you're an established grower, a beginning farmer, or a hobbyist, we think what you're doing is extremely important, and we manufacture a season extension structure just for you. We make season extension structures starting at just 12.5 feet wide all the way up to our 30-foot wide commercial high tunnels. And all of our models are available in increments of 4-foot bow spacing. Our most popular models are our strongest models. Our 30-foot wide, 24-foot wide, 20-foot wide, and 17-foot wide Gothic style peaked high tunnels. Our standard structure configurations really do set us apart from the rest, because a lot of other season extension suppliers and manufacturers will claim they're selling you a full package, but when you receive the structure, you find out you need to source a bunch of materials on your own. That's going to cost more money and waste your time. That's why all of our full packages actually come with everything you need, and we offer those full packages as our standard configuration. Here's a quick rundown of all that's included in our standard package offerings. They all come standard with large diameter, heavy gauge, US made galvanized steel anchors and bows, extensive weather bracing at the corners, at the peaks, through the full length with purlins, and on every interior bow with truss rafters. And they come with all metal framing components, so you won't have to source lumber. This includes galvanized steel baseboards, double aluminum channel hip rails, and heavy-duty 2-inch by 2-inch square steel tube galvanized steel end wall framing, full-length roll-up sides and roll-up side wind defenses, a high-quality, pre-hung, metal-coated personnel door, and auto-opening non-electric ventilation at the peaks. So our standard configuration comes with everything you need. But the other thing that sets us apart is that our customers aren't locked into our standard packages. In other words, we allow customers to change, modify, remove, and build out their configurations so that they can have the season extension structure of their dreams. And in this sense, our season extension structures are the most highly customizable on the market. For example, while every one of our sizes is available as a standard package, each can also be altered in various ways. If you have access to lumber for baseboards, hip rails, and end walls and want to save some money that way, all of our structures can be made into a more basic package, where those metal components are stripped out in lieu of lumber you supply. On the other hand, there are various upgrades and add-ons any one of our structures can have plugged into them to make them more functional, better insulated, and easier to enter, exit, and ventilate. Some examples of the most popular ways people customize our structures are by improving the insulation by adding double layer inflated top covering, upgrading the ends to 8mm twin wall insulated polycarbonate, reinforcing the baseboards with a polycarbonate shin wall, selecting a larger entrance, whether that's an economy entrance or something that looks a little nicer, or improving the ventilation capacity with automated roll-up sides and thermostatically controlled exhaust fans and shutters. Whether you want to strip things down or deck them out, our structures can be customized to your needs. In addition to how customizable our structures are, another thing that sets us apart is that with season extension structures, we think the details matter, and that how effective a high tunnel, hoop house, or greenhouse can be ultimately comes down to a collection of small things, small details that make up the entire structure. That's why we manufacture all of our structures in-house with US-made steel. That's why our structures have what we consider the absolute best assembly instructions on the market, and that's why our steel end wall packages are made with larger square steel tubing and are pre-cut, labeled, and arrive with corresponding end wall drawings. Whether you're concerned about how well a door is going to seal or how straight your roll-up side is going to operate, we've already thought through these small details. Taking on an infrastructure project can be intimidating, but we will support you. We have the best assembly instructions on the market with corresponding videos for each step, the most detailed end wall drawings specifically made for your structure's end wall configuration, and a dedicated tech support phone number you can call to speak to a real human who has actually built the same structure you're installing. Hopefully this video has succeeded in providing an overview of everything we make here at Tunnel Vision Hoops. house. And whether you're an experienced market farmer taking on a multi-structure project, or you just need a little protected growing space for yourself, we would love to work with you. And if you need a high tunnel hoop house or greenhouse, please don't hesitate to contact us for a free quote, discuss all of our customization options, and to talk through your project. Thanks for watching.